Rating people's favorite songs in Roblox. What's your favorite song?
Look like a girl, but I think like a guy.
Look like a girl, but I think like a guy.
What's your favorite song?
The boy's a liar.
What's your favorite song?
I'm Senorita.
I love it when you call me señorita.
What's your favorite song?
Billie Jean by Michael Jackson.
What's your favorite song?
Anaconda.
Boy toy named Troy used to live in Detroit.
What's your favorite song?
Cupid.
I give a second chance to Cupid.
What's your favorite song?
Void by Melanie Martinez.